What's going on, you guys? This is Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today, talking to you about how to make $10 to $15 every 15 minutes. If you'll be trading time for money. If you want something a little more passive, check out the first link in the description. See what you think. It's a way to build a true online business from the ground up. You get a mentor and everything with that. Just check it out and see what you think. But without further ado, let's get started. The site I'm going to tell y'all about today is Gold Options. Or Gold Opinions. I'm sorry, not options. And you get paid for your opinion. What it is, it's an opinion website. You know, you take surveys, everything. And you get paid anywhere from $15 or $10 survey up to $50 for premium surveys. This guy right here says he made $30 on his first day. Now I'm averaging $80 a day just filling out surveys. This right here, you can get paid up to $5 for a 10 to 15 minute survey, 15 to 30 for a 45, 30 minutes for a focus group, $50 for premium surveys. Like I said, you work your own hours, you set your own hours. You can do this full time, part time, no experience needed. You can get your money received from a debit card. You can exchange it. Get Apple free lunch or dinner in certain places, PayPal, Amazon gift cards. Get sport merchandise such as Nike and Adidas, Starbucks. Well, my computer seems to have frozen. Don't want to move. Here we go. Receive free pet merchandise, coupons for online partners, iTunes, Spotify, random gifts, free flights, free business class upgrades on travel related, Walmart gift cards, Visa prepaid cards, watch movies for free, you can get free vouchers sent to you, receive Disney passes and related merchandise, Target gift card, receive free games or gaming accessories for participating, Netflix vouchers, free accommodations, free cash and free apps by testing and answering related surveys, Samsung gadgets, and of course, paid cash through wire transfer. As y'all can see, most of this is you can get it around the world. Now I'll show you something here in a minute that y'all are gonna be like, this ain't worldwide. But if you use a VPN, you can still go worldwide. You just have to make sure wherever you're having it sent to, like if you use PayPal, you can get it sent there and you can extract it anywhere in the world. How long does it take? Reward within 24 hours. Everyone earns at their own pace, so you know. Why would anyone pay for my opinion? Basically what it is it lets people know what type of things the public wants. If you go on a website and you look at something and you don't like it, you tell them. If you try an app and it's too complicated or whatever, you tell them. You tell them what you think. And they're the source between you and high-paid corporations. Our priority partnership to make thousands of dollars per month. And I'll leave y'all a link to this in the description so y'all can come here and check it out and see what you think. How do you participate? Becoming members easy. Click the join now button to start. Once membership is confirmed, you can start earning points and cash by completing online surveys and anywhere via PC, laptop, cell phone, mobile app. After accumulating a certain amount of points, you're able to redeem them for cash from their catalog. As you can see, they check just a portion of 150 countries they work with. No boss, no numbers, the alarm clock, no, definitely no schedules. You can work part-time, full-time, overtime, whatever. You can earn up to 500 to 5,000 a month. You ain't gonna get rich doing this, people, but you could make a good second income with it, or possibly even replace your full-time income. And basically what you do here, you click here, start your trial, make money taking surveys, or your money back guaranteed. If you're not making any money with this, they will give you your money back for 60 days. And they'll gladly refund your subscription if you're not making money. I mean, this one, yes, you have to pay to play, basically. But these surveys are some of the highest paid surveys on the net. So the little bit that you have to pay is nothing in comparison. It's like $27 a month. And if you're not making at least that doing this, we got a problem. You probably don't need to sign up for anything if you're not willing to work no harder than that. You know, this dude right here says he just registered and straight away he was making money. You know, it's like they said, the only way you find out great deal is 100% money back guaranteed. And you know, you can start your 7-day free trial. I'm going to show y'all what the 7-day free trial is. Basically, you select one of 3 memberships. Work, you know, everything. You can see, normally it's $27, but of course they're saying promotion ends tomorrow, or today. But I'm sure if you click on it, I'm pretty sure, but that you can probably still get it for $1. And your membership and receive updates, unlimited support for just $27. So like I said, people, if y'all can't afford $27 to get paid possibly $50 per survey, think about it. If you got one premium survey, it paid for itself. But over here you got the frequently asked questions. How much will you get paid? You can use our counter on our home page. Average payout $5 to $10 for a completed survey. The process of taking online survey online on average takes about 20 minutes. So okay, if you done one every 20 minutes at $10 a piece, that's $30 an hour, right? Because it's 320s an hour. Even at $5 a piece, that's still $15 an hour, and you never had to do nothing besides give your opinion. And here you have to be 18 years old, and you know, it's like they said, they work with 150 countries. How many surveys? You can work as much of them as you want to. What's the method through which I'll be paid? Process twice a month, the 15th and the last day of the month. Sent through the mail or PayPal if you so choose. Why is there? Because we charge a flat rate to join compared to other companies and agents that take 20 to 30% of your commissions of earnings. See, this company don't. They just charge a flat rate. That means once you make your $27, the rest of it's pure profit. But it's like I said, I'll leave a link to this in the description. And the first link in the description will be my #1 choice for passive income to make a couple of $100 a day. They'll walk you through, teach you how to build an online business from scratch. It's a great program. It's actually the one I started with. So until tomorrow, we'll talk to you later.